Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 2nd of October, 2024, our system has classified Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.01. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations and currently reflects a loss of 0.49% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average loss of 0.24% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently exhibiting a broad and horizontal trend, and we can anticipate further movements within this range. Analyzing the 3-month trend indicates a potential change of nearly 0.374% in the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns fluctuating between negative 7.58% and positive 3.65%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of approximately 25.72% over the next year, with potential returns ranging from 4.77% to 37.07%. This implies a price range between $236.43 and $309.34 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for Apple. The Apple stock price experienced a decline of nearly 0.5% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, dropping from $226.78 to $225.67. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 1.56%, reaching a low of $223.32 and a high of $226.80. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown some volatility, resulting in a loss of 1.4%. Notably, the trading volume increased by 1 million shares despite the falling prices, which could signal an early warning and suggest a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 34 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $7.590 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $237.23, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the stock price sits 4.87%, or $11.56, below the 52-week high of $237.23. which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc., currently trading at $226.78, continues to capture investor attention. Recent reports highlight key developments affecting its stock. Tim Cook's significant sale of over $50 million in AAPL shares raises eyebrows, particularly given the stock's positive performance since May. This insider trading activity could induce unease among investors, potentially impacting short-term stock volatility. Additionally, Apple's withdrawal from discussions regarding the latest OpenAI investment round contrasts with competitors like Microsoft and Nvidia, suggesting a cautious approach toward high-risk technology investments. This decision may reflect internal priorities, but could raise questions about Apple's future innovation trajectory. Moreover, the notable action by Warren Buffett, who is reallocating investments away from Apple, signals a shift in sentiment from influential investors. Such movements often influence market perception and Buffett's pivot to oil stocks might trigger further analysis among retail and institutional investors. From a sales perspective, iPhone performance remains crucial. With smartphone sales constituting a significant revenue stream, any fluctuations here can greatly affect stock price in both the near and distant future. As these narratives unfold, AAPL's short-term gains may experience pressure, while longer-term prospects will hinge on strategic decisions and market responses. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 1st of October, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned a buy grade to Apple Inc. with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush also assigned a buy grade to Apple Inc. with a hold action. On the same day, New Street reported a neutral grade for Apple Inc., coupled with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, Needham gave Apple Inc. a buy grade along with a hold action. Lastly, on Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, Bank of America Securities provided a buy grade for Apple Inc. with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Apple stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock currently indicates a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, it also presents a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average, which is around $227.62. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $225.01. A breakout above the short-term average will signal a buy, while a breakdown below the long-term average will indicate a sell. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect the short-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, September 30th, 2024, and since then, the stock has fallen by 3.15%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close observation of the stock is advised. On Wednesday, September 18th, 2024, the stock achieved a golden star signal in the short-term chart. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line align in a unique combination. Such alignments are quite rare and are often followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 11 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 107 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 95 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $222.77, which may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support level is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and with strong liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.48 between its high and low points, reflecting a change of 1.56%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.71%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard PE ratio, often observed in companies with long histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.60. It is important to keep an eye on these projections as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $227.57. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $222.77. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of September, 2024, Wagner Susan conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 29th of September, 2024, Timothy D. Cook conducted an insider purchase of 164,626 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Timothy D. Cook also conducted an insider purchase of 54,876 shares of restricted stock units. On the 29th of September, 2024, Chris Kondo conducted an insider purchase of 11,854 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Catherine L. Adams conducted an insider purchase of 43,901 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 14.96. In total, insiders purchased 1,555,331 shares and sold 2,235,083 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $216.67, reflecting a decrease of 3.99%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, resulting in a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 3 days prior. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple exhibits several positive indicators, yet we do not find these sufficient for a buy recommendation. At this current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting holding or accumulating shares while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 4th of October, we anticipate Apple will open down 405/10,000ths of a dollar and begin trading at $225.26. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before purchasing or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.